Good morning, and it's a beautiful morning. Sorry if it's a bit windy and I have to be quiet because there is other vans here. Just the remnants of the crowds yesterday. So busy here yesterday, I couldn't believe it. For how isolated this part of the island is, it was chock-a-block. But they come here because of that. And over on the other side is the lighthouse, which we're going to now. It's about 6:30 in the morning. We thought we'd get up bright and early and get down there before the crowds. And there's a little VW over there. The guy recognised us from our YouTube channels, so that was nice. We had a quick chat with him last night. Right, Ellie's just getting ready. It is cold. I'm going to put another layer on, I think, and then we'll get on our toes.
Explore. I wasn't sure if we'd find a way in, but Scott found an entrance that wasn't locked, so it's only into a small part of the building, but really interesting in there. It just looks like someone has just upped and left. There's loads of food and drinks left behind in there. You know, there's like dishes and everything you would need in a situation where there was a zombie apocalypse. So might have my plan sorted right here at Neist Lighthouse.
Made it to the lighthouse.
Neist Lighthouse.
Neist Lighthouse.
Or Neist Lighthouse, as a sign said down the road.
But yeah, it's a beautiful place. It's really nice because there's not a soul around. Just two fishermen have just walked down to the beach.
But that was a cool explore, isn't it?
Yeah, really, really nice. So, yeah, beautiful place. Reminds me a bit of Cornwall, this. The way the rock formation and the landscape. Cornwall on steroids, maybe.
But first impressions of Isle of Skye, it's definitely different to what we've seen in the Highlands.
Yeah, nothing like Island of Skye coming here. It was nothing like I expected. I thought it was going to be quite sort of flat, rolling hills. But it's the most bizarre landscape. It changes so quickly. You're driving along and you see these different sort of rock formations, and then the next minute it changes. So it's a beautiful island.
What I loved about the landscape though is you've just got these really like muted autumnal tones everywhere. I really love the colour of the land here, and it's so bleak, which is exactly what I love. So we had loads of people recommend the Isle of Skye to us on
So thank you for all those recommendations.
You obviously know us well, because this is definitely our kind of place that we wanted to be coming. So we're really glad we came.
Yeah.
I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned my lesson hanging on.
So these are some guys that we bumped into last night at Neist Point, and we were just driving away, and randomly they were driving right behind us. So we just pulled over in the rain. Say hi.
As the night starts falling, let my fingers walk over your head. We got nothing to be scared of. I'd rather be with you than by myself. Now all is in your hands.
We've just arrived at one of the Isle of Skye's major tourist hotspots, the old Man of Storr, and as we anticipated, what with it being a bank holiday weekend and a beautiful sunny day at that, there's a lot of people here. So we're thinking that we had a pretty busy night last night with lots of people around. It's not really what we're looking for in a trip, you know. We want somewhere a bit more tranquil. Yeah, we're gonna hit the road. It's such beautiful weather. It'd be nice to see as much of the island as we can fit in. So we're gonna go for more driving, basically.
I think I was born to travel these roads.
I know what you mean. I think I've always wanted to get out and explore. I can remember when I was young, and my next door neighbour had a camper van, and every Friday she would load up a camper van to go off for an adventure for the weekend, and I can remember feeling like proper jealous. I just thought, that must be so amazing. Imagine just being able to pack up and go away anywhere you wanted for the weekend. So yeah, it's funny that it's taken me all these years later to actually discover that that's what I want to do.
Good morning! It is Easter Sunday, and it is a glorious Easter Sunday. Coffee, mountains, lochs, sun, camper van. Life is good.
I was lost in a city dream, and I was at home again beside the stream. Then you walked past me, and you saw me and smiled. I will never forget the first time when I saw you. I thought I lost my mind. blue and faded, was blown away and left behind.
The waters are so blue here. It helps with this sunshine that we've got. It's been such a beautiful warm day. I started off with so many more layers and I've had to strip them all off. It's a little bit more fresh up here with the sea breeze, but it's perfect walking weather. We thought we'd get out today because the weather forecasts are saying as of tomorrow we've got some rain and potentially snow coming in. So this could be our last day for a nice spring-like day walk out. We'll see what happens.
I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever? Loving you has never felt more right. Woke up lonely, and for you there is nothing in this world I wouldn't do. I would walk 1,000 miles just to see you.
So we're nearly back to the van now, and then we're going to take a ride over to the Apple Cross.
We're going to leave the Isle of Skye.
Yeah, say goodbye to the Skye, which has been amazing.
It's been beautiful.
But the road is long and we have more adventures. So we're going to head over to mainland and get ourselves on this Apple Cross and see if Florence can handle it, because it's not really made for camper vans. So, but we'll see.
Adventure route.
Adventure route. Right, let's go.
That I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever? Loving you has never felt right.